Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update all apps on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to update all apps on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, you'll be on this interface where at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the manage apps and device option available for us. Just below your Google account, tap on manage apps and device, and you land on this interface where you can see the updates available option over here, which is the second one just below no harmful apps found. Tap on updates available, and all of the apps which require an update on your phone will be over here. Like over here you can see some of my apps require an update on my phone. So in order to update all of these apps at once on the Play Store, you can see there is the update all button at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on the update all button, and all of your apps which require an update from the Play Store on your phone will be updated momentarily. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update all apps on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.